Today, we're looking at the all-new 2025 New Holland T8 Genesis series. Designed with advanced technology and rugged reliability, this tractor series is built to meet the demands of modern agriculture. The T8 Genesis series combines New Holland's signature design with improved aerodynamics and a robust frame. The streamlined look isn't just for aesthetics, it contributes to overall efficiency and fuel savings. Step inside, and you'll see what makes the T8 Genesis stand out. The cab offers more space, enhanced visibility, and a luxury seating experience. New Holland has redesigned the control layout, making it intuitive and easy to operate even during long working hours. One of the highlights of this series is its user-friendly IntelliView display. With customizable settings and easy-to-read graphics, operators have full control at their fingertips, from engine performance to precision guidance. Under the hood, the T8 Genesis is powered by a fuel-efficient engine that delivers impressive horsepower. This series also features a robust transmission system that offers seamless shifting and increased torque for heavy-duty tasks. With its high power and agility, the T8 Genesis is ideal for demanding tasks like plowing, seeding, and towing. It's engineered to maintain performance even under the toughest conditions, making it a true workhorse. Equipped with the latest in precision farming technology, the T8 Genesis series helps farmers maximize efficiency. The integrated guidance system ensures accurate row spacing, minimizing overlap and reducing fuel and seed costs. Overall, the New Holland T8 Genesis Series 2025 offers a perfect combination of power, technology, and operator comfort. Whether it's long hours in the field or tough jobs, this tractor is built to handle it all. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tractor and agricultural equipment reviews. Let us know what you think about the new T8 Genesis series in the comments below, and stay tuned for more insights into the latest farming technology.